Breaking news, folks. A freight train has derailed in the American state of Montana. The locomotive derailed on the banks of the Clark Fork River. This was about 2 hours ago.
Showing that they were in the clear, but at the very last second, it turned red and the trains collided. The engineer slammed on the emergency brakes, and everybody braced for impact. Federal Railroad Administration says the second pull was incorrectly set. It should have been set for the main track. The first shot shows the crude oil train as it passes by. There seems to be debris or something on the track. Moments later, the train smashes into it and flies off the tracks. It slides across a snow-covered landscape before coming to a halt shortly after. It was supposed to take it at 10 miles per hour, but as you're about to see, it was going quite a bit faster than that. As it rounds the turn, it flies off the tracks and onto the street. The front two cars separate, while the back two continue on the track before also derailing. Apparently, the train was hurtling at almost 39 miles per hour when it came around the corner, which is nearly 4 times the speed limit. There were also 24 passengers on board when the accident occurred.
Investigators say a preliminary investigation shows an overheated wheel bearing likely to blame. The NTSB says the train passed over 2 detectors, which showed the bearing was heating up. At the time it hit the 3rd detector, it was 253 degrees above air temperature, triggering an audible alarm to warn the crew.